lost at night in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo pong ng dalawang reading sa akin, nandun din po. No? Meron na rin po tayo ng February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Again, please join our live sessions. That's interactive. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. So Libra, so ang nakikita natin dito, parang merong isang taong medyo na-obsessed na sa iyo. Pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng ito yung person mo. Baka kasi masabi nyo dito na, ay, baligtad po yung nangyari. That's okay. No, what I'm reading here is the dynamic. Pero parang meron ditong taong lagi kang iniisip. Now, the thing here is, bakit lagi kanyang iniisip? Baka naman may utang tayo, no? Meron tayong nagawa kasalanan. Pero this is more of emotion. Now, parang kasi ang nakikita natin dito, let's say, doon sa mga may separations muna when it comes to pag-ibig, no? Sabihin natin na mas lalo nilang na-appreciate, no, yung value mo. Or baka dati kasi hindi nila nakikita ang value ng isang tao. Ganun naman talaga, no? Kapag nandyan pa. I think that is human nature, that you don't see the value of a person when they are around, no? You are going to see the value of the person when it's not there. It could also be a thing, di ba? Kung nakikita mo yung susi mo dyan, napakalat-kalat, eh, dadaan-daanan mo lang yan. Eh, nung nawala, tsaka mo hinanap, di ba? Ganun naman talaga. Let's say, kung this is a job-related, no? Parang kung kailan ka umalis, pwedeng you were fired, or you actually resigned, no? Doon nila nakita yung value mo na sana pala binigay na lang natin yung hinihingi niya na increase, no? Or sana pala prinomote natin siya para nagstay siya, no? Kung ito naman ay finances, no? Especially when it comes to business, sana pala nag-okay tayo sa sinabi niya, sana doon sa kanyang suggestions nakinig tayo, no? Probably kasi ito yung nakikita nating best na pwedeng mangyari ngayon, no? When it comes to family, baka kasi meron tayong mga payo, no? Na parang hindi naman binigyan ng pansin, parang, nagsalita ka lang sa hangin, tapos tama pala yung sinabi mo, no? For those of you who are in separations, I feel like, yun nga yung sinabi ko, yung value mo, mas lalong nakita. Ngayon, iniisip nitong taong to, babalik ba siya? No? Kasi gusto ko na, ngayon ko napatunayan na mahal ko pala siya. No? With the 8 of Wands, I think that this person is trying to contact you. No? Parang binubulabog niya ang iyong, lagi ka may missed call, may mga messages ka. Sometimes either sinisin mo lang, nababasa mo. Meron din mga paunti-unting mga response, pero masakit yung nangyari no? Same goes with the job related, no? Baka ngayon meron ka natatanggap ng mga emails, no? Parang hindi ko nababasahin kasi I'm no longer part of it, no? I'm no longer affiliated with the company. Ayan. Kung ito naman ay business, no, parang, yun nga yung sinasabi ko nung una, di ba? So, kung family relationship naman ito, ayoko na magsalita. What's the sense? Kasi hindi mo naman ako pinapakinggan. With the moon card in here, what I am seeing is that there's actually a lot of questions, no, dito sa taong to. Parang, may value pa ba ako? O 'di ba ngayon siya naman ang naghahanap ng value, no? May spark pa ba, no? Mahal pa kaya ako ng taong to with the Hierophant and the Princess of Wands? From time to time, I think that, let's say, meron pa rin mga paunti-unting messages or paunti-unting pagtingin, no, ng mga social media accounts. Kasi probably this company would also want to check if you are already hired, no? Were you part of the competitors, what have you, no? Kung business partners naman ito, baka nakipag-connive na siya sa competitors or nagtayo siya ng sariling business, no, na somehow related, no, nakikimarites, ayan. So kung buhay family naman ito, siguro meron ng mga paunti-unting apology. It may not be a direct apology, pero you know that the actions were apologizing. Kung ito'y buhay pag-ibig, parang sinasabi natin dito na yung reading na ito is, yun nga, merong tinitingnan ng social media, kahit papano meron pa rin itong taong ito na idea kung ano ang nangyayari sa buhay mo. With the Ten of Cups and the Hermit card, ito yung sinasabi natin na nasa iyo ang huling halakhak. Hindi dahil sa nagiganti ka, hindi dahil sa may gusto ka mangyari sa kanilang masama, pero napatunayan mo na nandun ka sa tama. Hindi ka lang napakinggan, hindi lang nabigyan ng pansin. Oo, masakit with the Three of Swords, no? Yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, masakit dahil ang ganda-ganda ng intentions mo no? You were there either to give advices, you were there to fix the issue, you were there to probably contribute, no? Para sa ikauunlad, ikagaganda ng whatever relationship you have with the Death card. Chances are, no, sa ngayon medyo masakit siya, pero dadating din yung time na nandoon ang pagpapatawad. Now, with the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito, chances are, sa ngayon, if we are doubting, if we will going to give this energy a chance, to be part of our life, I feel like pinag-iisipan pa natin siya. Pero if you're looking for a sign, I think that you need to give, this energy a chance. With the Nine of Pentacles, it felt like nandito yung harvest, no, ng ating mga paghihirap, ng ating mga sacrifices, and the Ace of Swords. So what I am seeing in here are actually a victorious comeback, no? Ito nga yung sinasabi natin, you proved them wrong. With the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like this may take a while, yung relationship, no? So I feel like medyo mahaba-haba ang pagsasamahan nyo nito. Pero with the Four of Swords, medyo kalmado ka na. Kalmado in a way na siguro kapag meron talaga mga aksyon, no? Chances are, para hindi na ito maulit, no? Hindi na lang ako magsasalita, hindi na lang ako iimik, no? I let you be. I will just ride in this connection, no? Kung trabaho ito, hindi na ako magsasuggest, no? But I will be going back, hindi ako magsasuggest. Susunod na lang ako, no? Kung business ito, sige, I'll be going back. Hindi na rin ako magsasuggest kung anong trip nyo. As long as hindi makakasama sa pera ko, hindi ako kikibo, no? Kung relationship ito na para, sige, makipagbalikan ako, pero for now, hindi muna ako yung magbibigay ng mga suggestion, no? Ng mga kung ano yung mga nasa isip ko, baka kasi masamain na naman, no? Let's get some more cards here, Libra. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo again sa mga bago po, nandun po ang ating sa kabilang channel, ang live sessions. So, pwede kayong sumali. Babaylan TV. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong readings. Ayan. Libra. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating doon sa ating question form sa aking website. Nandito po yan sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, question form. Nandun din po ang name, number, QR code for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Flannery O'Connor. Kasi this is a witch of, kind of humility. So, siguro nasa isip naman din natin, no? May mga tao talaga, including us, no, na nagkakamali. Sometimes we do things na maganda din naman yung intentions, no? Siguro naiintindihan mo rin yung sa kanila at mapapatawad din naman. Pero yun nga, you will be guarded of what you may do or say in the future. Pero nandito pa rin naman yung sinasabi mong second chances, no? Kasi you believe that every person deserves chances. So let's get a message from the universe. Whenever you talk to us, the spirit guides, universe, gods, what have you, it never goes unheard. We hear every single word. This is your confirmation that we are assisting you, guiding you, and ensuring your wishes finally comes to fruition. Be patient. Everything will come together for you. So, this is a strong reminder that things will be okay because hindi ka nakakalimutan, no? Naririnig ng universe every word ng iyong mga hiling, ng iyong mga hingi ng pagpapatawad, no? And they are actually helping you para makamit itong justice or itong iyong manifestations, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be your sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Leo, Virgo. So I'm seeing Capricorn, Scorpio. Virgo is here. Did I just mention? No, Pisces is here. Leo is here. Gemini is here. Cancer is here, right? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just